So Sarah, we like in the last call we discussed that we will trigger this integration in January. So
well, that's not right. This is the EPS, isn't it?
yeah.
That's not right. It all needs to go today, I think.
Okay.
So this EPS. So there's the RTI, which is the full payment submission FPS, and then the EPS includes the sickness and maternity, I believe, and they all have to go at the same time. And I haven't appreciated that they didn't all go at once. So I think that in the last meeting that we had, when you said, is there any more to do, we thought that was it because it was all in one go. But I think it's not, because if it's EPS, then it needs to go.
I was asking like there is one more integration which we need to run. So then we said like
we didn't realise. So apologies, we've confused you.
No problem.
So Gayatri, the first submission didn't go for a couple of reasons. We had a few errors. We tried yesterday and again today a few times, and eventually we reduced each of the errors down as we worked through them. Some of them are to do with the way we'd uploaded some of the addresses. So some of the addresses had been keyed in using a foreign keyboard, like a European keyboard, European letters. And so the HMRC wasn't recognising those letters. So everything that was found as being an issue, we've put right, and the first submission's gone. So there's no reason why the EPS shouldn't just go.
Okay, got it.
Sarah?
Yes, hi Julie.
Oh, you can hear me. Sometimes I join and when people don't answer me, I realise they can't hear me, and then it normally drops connection. So I just want to make sure you can hear me.
I was reading something else. I wasn't looking at the screen. So Gayatri is just having a look through for the next stage of the EPS submission. I've explained what we've done with the other, so we're just waiting for them to be ready. Have you seen?
Sarah, what do you need from me?
Well, we don't know how to run the integrations. We have no idea how they work. So we've been watching Sudhakar with the integrations. We have no idea what to do.
But even I haven't gone through that. Sudhakar, you have to give us a KT,
Yeah,
right?
I will run the integration. So I was just waiting for the confirmation. So are we good now, or shall we wait for Christina for others to join?
Yeah, I was
Don't need to
thinking
wait
we
for
are waiting for
Christina.
Christina.
Yeah, even I was.
Sorry, no, we don't need to. Sorry, you could have just done it with me if I'd realised that's what we were doing.
Okay.
I'd have been quite happy to sit.
So yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, go for it.
So this is the last integration employee EPS submissions. Okay.
Yeah.
And before that, we have 2 steps to come, just to run 2 reports and see. I've just checked. I think you can confirm on that. Okay. This is one report.
Yeah.
I thought this all went on one. I've misunderstood.
No, and I completely forgot about it with the RTI going through, that we hadn't done
I
it.
think we're just concentrating so much on the RTI.
Yeah.
I just thought it was
So
on
this is all-
one.
No, this is all the SMP recovery.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are 2 records. I think you might have checked it already. So let me go and run the integration now.
Yeah, okay.
Twenty to 23, right?
Yes, that's right.
That's all.
Yeah.
And other fields are not mandatory. Run the integration. So let me run the integration. So the integration has completed successfully, and HMRC accepted the EPS submission.
Okay.
So yeah.
That's great. So there's no errors on that one.
No, I think we have resolved all the data issues in the last run, right? So I think for
Yes.
this integration,
That's good.
there are no much complications.
Great.
It was smooth.
Going back to your workday reference, does it have anything in there about the report we have to run afterwards, just to show the offset? You know your workday. You know you were in the community and you were going through the document with all the steps that you needed. Did it tell you what report to run afterwards?
Okay, after that, again the response report. Okay, the same report which we ran earlier, RTA submission report.
Okay.
So here we have EPS. Now we trigger, right? Yeah, this is the one. And receipt here, file receipt. Let's go and open it here. So this is the status. If EPS has been accepted,
Right. Okay.
the ID and reference. Okay. We can see the receipt as well.
Yeah. It's not that. I was looking for more of a report with totals on, but I'll have a dig and delve and see what I can find.
Yeah, we were looking for something that was more like what we're used to seeing, a P32 or a final submissions report that gives you a summary of how much has been submitted in total for pay-as-you-earn tax, and how much has been submitted for employees NI and employers NI in total NI, and how much the totals are for statutory sick and how much the totals are for statutory maternity. And it comes through on a standard form normally from other payroll platforms that we've used in the past. It comes through as a standard report.
Okay, there is one more report here. Let me show it. Yeah, here it is. Percentage.
Yeah, that just tells you the percentage of recovery. It's not that one.
Okay, so
Don't worry, we'll have to have a look and see if we can find one.
okay, so what I understood from the process, like you need to run this RTA EPS data, the compensation percentages, run the integration and see the response. That's all. If you have any rejections, but we don't have any rejections, right? So no need to resolve anything. That's all. I think, is it something which you can check from the HMRC end?
No, it comes out of your payroll software.
Okay,
And
let
you
me
need to
check.
put out your payroll software anyway, so you can check it's gone to HMRC, because what they receive might not be the same as what's in the system. You have to have a control in there, don't you?
We need to see what we've sent to them, and we can't see from that report
I can see
the values.
I can see the report for the main FPS one. I can see view UK FPS and match reports to HMRC, but that was before the EPS was done, and I don't know if the EPS is included on there.
This is something different. These are the same values which are submitted again. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, let's see here. This is the one.
Yeah, this is the actual integration report, so isn't it, rather than it being the actual reporting side of it? Sarah, I think we should just log it with OSV, tell them what we can find one.
I'm trying to find the
It
report here.
shows there that it's going to.
The view.
I can't read
the
that
view-
fast.
I've downloaded one called View UK FPS and match reports to HMRC, and I think that should be the right one, but I just need to check whether the EPS data is fed through onto that report as well.
See here, this is the report actually, which it was submitted, EPS submission report. I mean, it is available in the integration, but I can show you what are the details submitted. If you see here, it is recovered value reported, and these are the values which are reported.
Yeah, but there's a report that actually summarises the whole lot and then says, and this is the value submitted to HMRC, and we have to make that payment. We have to make that payment in total to HMRC, and this isn't it. It isn't giving us everything. It's not showing us how much to pay. We have to send a payment to HMRC now. We've got to send them some money.
We've got time to sort it, Sarah. We'll log it with OSV.
Okay, this is the only thing I can show you, like from the integration point of view, the values which are submitted to HMRC are these values, value reported. If you see here, these are the values, and apart from that, other value which whatever you're requesting are not available here. 580. So there is no other information available in the integration event.
Don't worry.
Yeah, I think it's something you can check from your end. I think. Else, let me know. Otherwise, later after exploring, if you do it, find anything, we can sit together and discuss.
Okay. Right. We'll have a little bit of a play.
Okay. Yeah. Fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sudhakar?
Bye.
Hello.
Yeah, Gayatri.
Can you please arrange a knowledge transfer at the earliest?
Yeah, definitely. For all the 3 integration, we are planning for a knowledge transfer. We'll
Absolutely.
show you step by step on how to execute each run, and you can record the session. And how to troubleshoot also will tell you.
Yeah. I mean, because only we both are on the call, can you give me a gist of what is going on in these integrations as of now?
Okay, fine.
If it is okay for you.
Yeah, no problem. Anyway, you are going to support this integration?
Yeah.
Okay, fine, no problem. I can show you. That's not an issue.
Okay.
So let me start here. This is one integration. There are 3 integration in total.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. 103, 104, 105.
Correct. 103. 105. Where is 105? This is 105, which is notification integration.
Mm-hmm.
And then 103 is RTI.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. First we will. Sorry.
Can you like explain me the business also what is going on, and not only in integration perspective, just to understand these payroll
that
terms.
I cannot tell actually.
Okay.
What happens at the business, and even I am not sure what, because these are delivered templates. Let me explain you first.
Okay.
So these are a few delivered templates given by Workday.
Mm-hmm.
There is no much configuration or nothing to do from our end.
Okay.
So it's something configured in the tenant by the payroll team. Okay, and then we just run the integration. Are you aware on the integration side how the integrations work?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Then I can show you. Then
Okay.
it will be easy. So this is the first integration, notification integration.
Okay.
This is an inbound integration, incoming notification. This is the integration which will bring the notifications from HMRC system to Workday to the employees, payroll inputs. Okay. So again, it's a delivered template. So nothing to do from our end. How it works or what happens, there are nothing we can do.
Okay.
Just we need it. If there are errors that might be related to the configuration, that's all.
Okay.
No technical things configured in this. Only thing you have here is you will configure the user ID password.
Okay.
The company, UK company username and password. If you see here, company name and password are configured here. This is the only thing we do. Notifications, if it fails, you will receive the notification. You might have been receiving the notification, right?
Yes, I think I only configured that notification
Okay,
section.
fine.
Yeah.
Okay, fine then. So this is the normal thing. And what happens? This is the incoming notification. So once you run the integration, it will bring the notifications from HMRC system and upload into employee payroll inputs. I can show you a few samples.
Sure. HMRC is a bank, right?
It's a government organization which collects the tax, I think. What I understood.
Okay.
I did not read in detail, but yeah, something tax data which it is collecting. So this is okay. Otherwise, we'll go to match. So there are different types of notification: P6, P6B, P9, PGL1, PGL2. Like PGL1 is post-graduation loan, and this is student loan 1 and student loan 2. These are I don't know, but P6 they call it and P9 they call it. So now when I say match HMRC notification per notification type P6, that means it will try to bring all the notifications related to P6. So it has completed.
And another field you have given, what was that? Other field as input?
One is company and another is P6 notification type.
Okay. A company is the first one, okay?
Yes, company.
Okay.
So we have, for UK, we have only one company, so it will bring that company.
Okay.
Okay. It will show only that company.
Okay.
Now, if you see here, 73 instances, that means around 73 employee records have been processed. It match in the sense, see here, the name itself, match HRMS notification. So in HRMS system, you have employee data with some, let's say Sudhakar Akavaram, my name, right? And in Workday, my name is also Sudhakar Akavaram. So it will try to pull the notification from HMRC system and will try to find that name in Workday, that person, employee in Workday.
Okay.
And it will try to match and show you.
Okay.
So it is showing the count. Now let's go to apply HMRC notifications. So if you come here, if you see here, only 2 fields which you need to give: employer reference and notifications. So I have run for P6, right?
Yes.
So search.
Mm-hmm.
When I click on search, it will populate these two values. Earlier they were blank. When I
Okay.
clicked on search, these two values populated, and also the employee data. If you see here, so these are suggested matching worker. You see here,
Okay.
and these are this is the data which was pulled from
Notification.
HMRC system.
Yeah.
HMRC, yeah.
Huh.
HMRC, you have pulled the data, and for this name, you in Workday you could find one employee with this
Okay.
name. So you are matching here.
Okay.
After matching, if you feel this employee is correct, Abibert something it is showing,
Okay.
right? Let's say you take one employee, Ayobami something.
It's
So
not
if you
matching.
feel yes, not matching, but first name, last name, and something might be. If you
Okay.
go and check this employee.
Okay.
How to validate? How to validate in the sense you can see the NI NINO number,
Okay.
national insurance number.
Okay.
You go to the employee data,
Uh-huh.
personals, IDs. Under IDs, you will find the national insurance number,
Okay.
950, 53950.
Okay.
So if you see here, 53950 is there,
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
So that means this employee is same.
Okay.
Whatever you have pulled from HMRC,
Okay.
this employee data matches.
Yeah. Okay.
So how it is matching? It is not matching with the name actually. It is trying to match with the
NINO.
national insurance number
Okay.
and the works number. Okay.
Works number also.
So it matched, yeah. So far NINO number matched. So it has tried to match with this.
Okay.
Not
Okay.
with the name. Okay. Then if you feel yes, these are correct, then you can select this, and if you feel that all the employees are correct, you can select this.
I mean, if it is not taking up the name and it is taking up the number, it should all the entries should be correct only, no?
Yes. Yeah, all the employee entries, 99.9%, all the entries will be got.
Yeah.
There
Why
is
do we
no-
have that
there-
0.1 doubt?
Which one?
You're saying 99.9% it will be correct only.
Okay, fine. If you see here, you did not find employee.
Yeah. Why is it so? I mean, why is it so? I understood. Would there be a chance of mismatching with the numbers also? It won't be, no?
No, it will not be there.
Mm.
If you see here, there are 247, 284. You can go and search this employee. What is the issue with this employee? Then
Okay.
you will understand. It
Okay.
might be terminated employee or something issue. So it didn't find the employee in Workday, proper employee matching with that
Okay.
data. And you could see there are two records which we brought from HMRC system, I think.
Hmm.
Where is that tab? Okay. You could see two records here,
Hmm.
not one record for P6. And I don't know why there are two P6. And you can also understand the exception. What is the exception? Why they are under notification not matched or in error?
Okay.
You can see here. Notification does not match with the worker. These are generic errors again. Okay.
Hmm.
It says either worker payroll ID and workers numbers are not matching.
Hmm.
Okay. It is matching the NINO number. It is not matching the workers number. You see here.
Okay.
Workers number is here. You go to this employee first. I show you pay. Tax details. I think. Okay. So see here payroll ID.
Hmm.
Okay. And if you see here, what is the error? It says
2. Exception 2.
workers number, payroll ID. Both are not matching.
Okay.
Correct? The payroll ID which I have shown you is different with what it is. The workers number is not same.
Hmm.
Both are not same. So it is throwing the exception and it is populating under this section. If both are matching perfectly, then it should have been under matched notification.
Okay.
So there is a mismatch with the workers number, but NINO number is correct. So you know now when you cross check with the employee data, this employee data with the NINO number, you feel there might be problem with the workers number, but NINO number is correct. Then you will select yes, this is correct matching only. You will say here by selecting.
Oh. Okay.
You are confirming now by selecting this. I am confirming that this employee data with HMRC data, they are correct. The employee data is correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now when you click on OK, I will not click on OK, otherwise it will upload. You need
Okay.
to select OK to proceed and click on OK. What will
Okay.
happen is,
Uh-huh.
once you select this, it will go and it will under payroll inputs, under tax details, you will find the notification uploaded here.
Okay.
P6 notification source. So someone has last updated here. So once you click on OK, it will match and it will try to upload into tax details under this section.
Okay. This is an on-demand integration?
Yeah, yes, correct. On demand. You will not schedule it. Every
Okay.
time you need to go and launch manually and validate all this.
And usually Christina initiates that, or?
Sarah, I think. Sarah or Julie, I think.
Anybody from the accounts team will be asking us to.
Payroll administrating team. Yes.
Payroll.
Administrator.
Okay.
Yes, payroll administrator. Okay.
Okay. They'll request the integration people to run that.
No, they will do it. We will give the access to those payroll administrator and they will launch the integration.
Okay. They'll be having the knowledge how to do all this.
Yeah, we'll share the KT, right?
Okay.
We completed the 3 integration. Now I'm going to.
Okay.
In the next week somewhere, we'll have a call and you can record the session.
Okay.
And we will show you how to run and how to troubleshoot if there are any issues.
Oh, got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the first integration. Okay?
Yeah, got it.
Discarding.
Got it.
It is just inbound. It is pulling the notifications from HMRC system and uploading into tax details of employee.
Got it.
P6 notification you can see here. If you run for P9, it will be P9. Okay?
Yeah.
When you click on all details, you will see all the notifications. If it is 1, 2nd, 3rd time,
Yeah.
all the notifications you can see here, and you can see who has run that.
Yeah.
Now, if I clicked on OK, you might have seen one more row with my name because I have triggered, right?
Yeah, got it.
So it will show my name here. So I did not do that.
Yeah.
And the second integration is INT10.
3? Let's go with 3.
3, correct. 3 only. We should run 3 only, not 4.
Because the first run is not done yet. Is that the reason?
No, we have completed already.
Okay.
Yesterday
I was not included in that call.
Yes, you were not in the call actually.
Okay. Who all were there? Christina and Sarah and.
Yeah, everyone was there. Christina, Julie, Sarah, everyone was there in the call. Who I think apart from you, who were there in the mail, they were part of the call.
Okay. Okay, later on, can you include me in all those calls and mails, whatever is there?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Thank you.
So this is the first integration is INT105. Next is INT103.
Okay.
Sequence wise. Okay, you need to run this. This is outbound.
1 minute. There is no interaction between all these 3, right? It's 3 different integrations.
No, they are independent. Yeah,
independent.
They are independent, but you should run in sequence. They might be independent, but you should run in sequence.
What is the
First
sequence?
You need to run the notifications.
Okay.
105,
Okay.
103, 104.
Okay, 534. Okay.
Yeah.
From the bottom like this. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So need to run the 3. 3 is outbound again. You will this 3 and 4. Where is it? This 3 and 4. The next 2 integration you need to run only after payroll completion.
Okay.
Okay. You should not run before the payroll completion.
Payroll runs every.
Before for payroll for this month has been completed already. So we have run the integration. Otherwise, we would not have run the integration.
Yeah.
So they are completed.
But there are cycles, right? Bi-weekly, monthly.
Yeah, I don't know how they schedule it. But for UK, I think, is it monthly? I think monthly. We have only monthly pay group for UK.
Okay, full UK itself, there is no bi-weekly and all. They only follow monthly.
Yeah, they have only monthly, I could see.
Okay.
Only monthly pay group.
Okay.
So monthly, after that, they will send, okay?
Okay.
They will launch this integration. They will provide the launch parameters. I will show one of the integration events.
Okay.
Which was completed recently.
Yeah, and we had lots of problem with this only.
Yeah, data issues.
Yeah, data issues. Correct. Yeah, correct.
We had a lot of data issues.
Correct.
So.
But data issues were also configured by Mercer only, right?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, whatever data was provided, they were loaded into Workday.
Okay.
So they could find some data issues. So these, so once you run the integration, we are launching the integration manually, right? So while running the integration manually, there are two steps actually. First, you need to run this step, generate UK RTI FPS data.
Okay.
Again, I'll show you.
Okay. Yes,
This is
sure.
a task you will run, and then run the integration.
Okay.
What happens if you run this?
By
If you
chance,
run
do
this
you know
task-
what is RTI full form?
Real-time information.
Okay.
You can see here somewhere the task, or I'll show you. The template name you will find. Okay. RTI.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So when you run this generate UK RTI FPI data task,
Okay.
that you should run first before launching this 103 integration.
Okay.
Once you run, what happens is you will get this instance to select when you launch the integration. This
Okay.
value. I can show you by launching. There is no harm, but I'll not
Okay.
run. But
Yeah,
I'll show
sure,
you,
sure.
Okay. I'll launch the integration. Here you have the values, because these values you will get only when you run this task. Generate UK RTI FPS data
Oh.
task. You will get only when you run. So
Okay.
these many times I have run. This is the
Oh.
one which I have triggered today morning, 12:21, 5:39.
Okay.
So
Okay.
select that. Whatever you have triggered, you select that one, and then
I mean, it's the same thing, no? Why is it coming? I mean, is there some change? Once we run the task, we get something else there?
no. If you run the task, you can generate. This task generates your UK RTI based on the parameters you specify. You can verify data through. Okay, it says.
Did you run this task now?
Yeah. I did not run now.
Okay.
Yeah, before for the integration run, I have done that.
Yes, but not now. Okay.
Not, I will not do now.
Okay.
Just I'll show you.
Okay.
You will select the pay period,
Okay.
which is completed, and reference number, and then status is completed, pay calculation status completed, submission number. I have run 2 times. I'll take the first. Okay. And just click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will get this instance number. This instance RTI FPI something with date and time you will receive.
12:21,
Yeah.
5:39 in the AM. You did it.
Yeah, you did. I did it, and you will see the instance name.
Okay.
Once you click on OK, once it completes, you will
Okay.
see that name.
Okay.
And in the drop down, you can select that. And again, the employee reference you have selected, right? RTA. This is the only one for UK. Pay period you select which is completed, and submission number, the one whatever you have given here, the same number you will select here.
Okay.
Okay, that's all. And click on OK. That's
Okay.
It will complete.
Okay.
After completing, you have a report actually.
Okay.
Or if it has failed, or if it has thrown the errors completed with errors, you can run this task.
Okay.
It will show you the errors or response, whatever it may be.
Okay.
Submission response. So you have tabs here, different tabs. FPS tab, EPS tab. Now we are checking FPS, right? Go here and see the errors. So I have run these many times. Submission, and at the end you will find the number of errors or rejection. If it has failed, you need to check this column.
Okay.
Okay. When you run the integration, if it has failed, you will find the exceptions here. Click on this tab, and you will see the number of errors with the employee name.
Okay.
For this employee, there was some data issue. Address line 1 was not there. For this employee also, address line 1 was not there. So it will show the error clearly.
Okay.
Then you need to go and correct the data for the employee.
Okay.
To complete them. So, okay, we have completed all the data issues, and then we have completed the integration. That's all.
Okay.
And after doing this,
1 minute. See, the previous integration was to get the notifications, and 103 is
That
to
is
get the. Yeah, that is inbound. Okay.
Then
Okay, this is to
that
send.
is from HRMS. First one is to receive data from HMRC to
Got
Workday,
it.
and the next two are from Workday to HMRC system. We
HMRC
are sending
system.
data.
Okay.
Yeah, we are sending the payment data, which they are saying right in the call. Sarah was saying that we need to pay something. So those are functional things. We are not aware actually.
Okay.
Someone from payroll team can help you. If you have anyone from someone from payroll, they can help you what they are sending. What
Okay.
They are, okay. So this is the last integration, EPS integration.
Okay.
So again, we don't have any issues with the integration now. Again, just you launch it and complete the integration. If you have any data issues, again, go to that response and then correct the data.
Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
that's all.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sudhakar.
No problem.
Yeah.
If you have any data issues, that is the only problem you will get. Otherwise, integration, configuration,
Yeah,
there
as
is
far-
nothing to do.
Yes, as far as I see, everything is going good. Yes.
Yeah, everything is going good. Data issues will be there. If data issues there, you need to correct the data and then run the integration. Without correcting the data, if you run 100 times, it will fail 100 times.
Okay. Got it. Thank you
Okay.
so much, Sudhakar. Really appreciate your
Okay.
time. Yeah. Have a meeting to jump in.
problem.
Bye.
Anyway, next week we'll schedule a call.
Absolutely.
I'll invite you as well. We'll
Thank
include
you.
you.
Yeah.
And you can record the session. We are planning
Yes.
we are planning that session only for recording. For your
Okay.
help.
Okay.
So that you can refer it anytime in future.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, fine then. We'll schedule it.
Yeah. Please include me in any of the mails that I'm missing.
Okay, sure.
Thank you so
definitely.
much. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.